Hi guys, this is Ruela Dones from 8 Nora, and ang iaano natin ngayon is Cascabel TV. So, tara, papakita ko sa inyo. This is the Cascabel TV. Ang common names nila is Beestill Tree, Lucky Nut, and Yellow Olander. Previously known as Tivicia peruviana. This plant has high severity poison characteristics. This is the flower of Cascabella tibia, yellow flower. So this is the leaves of Cascabella tibia. This is the fruit of Cascabella tivicia. Yellow olander is an upright, evergreen, tropical scrub or small tree in the Poaceaceae family, growing to a mature height of 8 feet and a spread of 4 feet. The plant is a native of the West Indies, Mexico, and parts of Central and South America, where, in native environments, will reach heights of 20 to 30 feet. The genus name comes from the Spanish word cascabella, meaning small bell in the reference to the shape of the flower, and the species name honors André Tevet, 1502 to 1592, a French monk who traveled in Brazil and Guiana. Large showy yellow flowers and alternate bright green leaves, unlike its cousin, olander, which has pink or white flowers in the whorled leaves. Yellow olander does best in rich, sandy soils but will do well in average, medium moisture soils and full sun-to-part shade. If grown in a container, use fertile soils with a good drainage. Water regularly but let the soil dry out between watering to maintain the attractiveness of the plant. Promptly deadhead spin brooms to prevent seed pods. It can be propagated from cutting taken in the late summer, and the plant will tolerate light burning to shape it after flowering, late summer to fall. In warm environments, plant as a small flowering tree, a hedge of privacy or frond low for a foundation planting. Its low water use make it an excellent addition to a drought-tolerant garden, patio planting, or near a pool. In colder climates of the United States, it is often grown as a container plant brought indoors in the winter or as year-round houseplant. If yellow olander will overwinter indoors, sit it in a cool location, such as a basement with moderate light and very little water. Alternatively, you can grow it as a houseplant in a sunny but cool room with reduced water. So, hi guys, that's all, and sana may natutunan kayo and may bago kayo nalaman tungkol sa Cascabella TV show. And yun lang. Bye-bye!